Hey, it's Erin Jurizzo here, and we are here at 427 Collision. That's right outside of downtown Toronto. We got to take a little road trip this weekend to come see this incredible shop. In the Supercell, we have the fixed line that has just the Spraytron, and here we get to see the Symach fixed line that actually has the Combitron, and I'm so excited to see how it's made their shop more efficient and the repairs a better quality for the customer.
Why did you guys decide to choose the Symach equipment with this large expansion?
The clear reason was productivity of the fixed line, able to do up to 15 cars as opposed to a traditional booth. You're limited to 7 or 8 per day. The way it was created and the way it was space for the employees, lighting was great. All these benefits to the actual employee helps us attract new people into our industry and retain what we have here. So it helped our vision, because that's one of our goals, is to be the employer of choice in the industry.
Not only is it state-of-the-art, but it's also extremely reliable, so I'm able to come here with the confidence to produce to a certain standard that we kind of set in this environment.
So the fly dry system here heats the body filler and helps us get the cars going at a quicker rate. Instead of sitting around waiting for it to dry, it's really quick and efficient that way. We can really push cars.
We love the fact that there's 2 different rooms where one you can dry the car and then you can continue spraying in the other. Again, saves probably half the amount of time, because usually when you had to leave the car in the booth and let it dry, now you can put it into a new section and continue spraying a new car or a new panel. So, you know, you're really pushing the limits on the amount of time you can save in this process, and that's really what I love about the system. If you're willing to work hard and make sure the work is there and put it through the booth, there's unlimited potential.
So as you can see, the Symach system allows us to produce a better quality product at a more efficient rate with less people.